It's a year of many firsts for former Miss World Manushi Chhillar. First, she became the new global ambassador of the beauty brand Estee Lauder. Then she made a glorious appearance at Cannes 2023. And now she has made her runway debut at the London Fashion Week. And as expected, she looked stunning as she took over the ramp. Manushi walked for designer Rocky Star in an all-black fit that came with a peplum-style silhouette. Her dress featured sheer detailing, revealing her bralette and dramatic, elevated sleeves. The floor-touching dress added more drama to the look, and her nude makeup with minimal accessories looked classy. She shared a BTS clip that also showcased her final walk, and her fans couldn't stop complimenting her. We have to say, her fashion has evolved remarkably in the last few years. Her appearances as she promotes her upcoming film The Great Indian Family with Vicky Kaushal are amassing all the attention, and in a good way. Manushi graced one of the episodes of India's Got Talent Season 10 in a white chikankari sari from the shelves of the clothing label Jade by Monica and Karishma. The sari featured intricate chikankari embroidery work and scalloped lace borders. The neatly pleated sari front added a touch of sophistication. She paired the sari with a matching sleeveless pearl white bralette blouse. The pearl core trend is so in, and Manushi added more pearls to the look by finishing the look with a pearl choker necklace and statement pearl rings. On the set of India's Best Dancer 3, Manushi once again chose white. She opted for a gorgeous anarkali set from the shelves of Anita Dongre. Now, we love this kind of kurta set as you can wear it for just any occasion. We even loved this promotional look of hers, green satin gown which can look good on any body type and skin complexion. So, you tell us, which outfit looks the best on her? Let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on celeb fashion.